Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Allow microphone access for the keyboard and install a keyboard that supports voice chat. Connect a headset or external mic and set it as your input device so audio routes correctly. Once done, open the keyboard app and grant any in-app permissions it requests. Make sure you have a stable network connection. Poor bandwidth causes dropped audio. This gets you past the first barriers and into the actual configuration steps. Next, dive into the keyboard settings to enable voice input features and the on-keyboard mic button. You should choose whether you want continuous listening or push-to-talk. Push-to-talk avoids accidental transmitting. Adjust microphone sensitivity so your voice is clear without clipping. Then confirm the host app has permission to record and that battery saver isn't suspending it. Finally, map a convenient shortcut or long press gesture so you can start voice chat instantly while typing. To finish, open the chat or app where you want to voice chat and tap the keyboard's mic icon or use your shortcut to start transmitting. Use mute, overlays, or push-to-talk to control when others hear you. Watch input meters to confirm signal. If audio sounds poor, make sure the correct mic is selected and background apps aren't stealing audio. If nothing works, re-enable microphone permission, restart the keyboard app, and test with a different headset. This single check fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.